Hello students, today we'll revise the subtopic blood vessels from the chapter Transport in Animals. There are three kinds of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. The diagram below shows the comparison of blood vessels, structure and functions. The table depicts the function, structure of the wall, lumen, valves, and how the structure fits its functions. In short, a comparison between arteries, capillaries, and veins at a glance. Circulation around the body. The pathway followed is heart, artery, arteriole, capillary, venule, vein, and back to the heart. Blood is carried from the heart and towards organs in arteries. These narrow to arterioles and then capillaries as they pass through the organ. The capillaries widen to venules and finally veins as they move away from the organs. Veins carry blood back towards the heart. This diagram depicts the arteries and the veins involved in the blood circulation. The following table shows the important blood vessels involved in blood circulation.